Hello, my name is Tim Ingroth. I'm a drummer and educator from Germany, and I'm very proud that Sabian invited me to do a master tip tutorial. Today I want to show you how you can play Cold Sweat, the great tune played by Clyde Stubblefield, in a jazz language. So, let's start. First of all, I want to show you the groove Clyde Stubblefield played on Cold Sweat.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, that was the original groove played by Clyde Stubblefield, and we want to take the bass drum and the snare drum pattern just without the hi-hat. So we get this.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The drum part of Cold Sweat is a 2-bar pattern. But in a jazz context, I would like to have a 4-bar pattern. So I'm gonna extend all the notes. For example, a 16th note becomes an 8th note, a quarter note becomes a half note, and an 8th note becomes a quarter note. So let's go. You can see this in the notation. And it's very important, now all the 8 notes become a swing 8 note. So you have to shuffle all the 8 notes. Instead of 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay? Yeah, come on, let's do it together.
1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and...
Now you're ready for the jazz, okay? I hope you all know the swing pattern.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, let's put the swing pattern and the extended version of the Cold Sweat pattern together. Then you get a very interesting jazz comping figure. And that's how it sounds like.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think it sounds pretty good, or not? But it can sound much better if you take the bass and the snare drum pattern and we start it not on the downbeat on 1, but on the end of 1. So we shift the whole bass and snare drum pattern for 1/8 note. And then it really sounds jazzy. let's have a listen to it.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
So, I hope you enjoyed my master tip. You can take now the pattern and permutate it through all the 4 bars. That is very interesting. And actually, this is my master tip. Take a pattern and translate it into another musical language. So, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for Sabian to invite me. I'm very, very honored, really. That's a big thing for me. So, yeah, come on. Let's go practice.